What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Spider-Man 2099. We're going to begin today's lesson with the outside perimeter of the head. So let's start with the bottom half. We'll start on the left side of the page. Let's draw a half circle. We're going to come down, go across the middle, and we're just going to bend that up towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top half of the head. So we start by bumping this out, going up and in. Just round out the top of the head. Go all the way around the right side, and it'll tuck that in. Now from here, we're going to draw that detail around the eyes and the mask. So let's start in the center, leaving a gap. Start on the left side, we're going to add a fold, coming in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to work our way around the inside of the eyes. So back on the left, bend this out, and then up towards the top. And work our way down. Just going to round this out and then come down towards the bottom. From here, bend this in and then up, just underneath that point. Let's add those 2 points coming down. So starting back on left, we're going to round this out and bend that in towards the chin. Then we'll taper this up towards the top. Let's follow this curve going towards the outside. Now I'm just going to bend this down and then in towards the jaw. Let's go back up to the top of the head. We're going to start from this point. We're going to taper this out and then up. And you want to add a point, just curving this in. Taper this out and then down. And it'll continue this curve going up towards the side of the head. Okay, so now that we have the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We leave a gap underneath the head on the left side. Bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now from the hip, let's move to the center, move down. We're going to add a curve going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel. We're going to bend this down and then up towards the outside. And it'll round out the top of the foot. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up. And we want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap along the inside. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, going out, and then bend that down on top of the feet. Let's add that sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, just step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now, from the top of the foot, let's step up. We're going to add another curve to the edge of the boot. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start the arm right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then we're going to line up the top on the right and come down towards the same height. From the wrist, let's add a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. And I'm just going to close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and then bend that up around the bracket. Let's move over towards the side. We're going to bend the second finger going out and then up. And then again, the third finger, step down, curve this around, blend into the arm going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, starting with that first finger, second, and then the third. Going all the way around, come up and then in. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm. Right here, we're going to add the edge of the glove. We're going to go up and then out. And then on the outside of the arms, we're going to add those 2 large spikes. So let's start here. Bend this out and up. Taper this down and back in towards the arm. And we'll draw that same size spike on the right. We're going to leave a small gap and draw 1 smaller spike going up and then in towards the hand. Now we're going to go in and simplify that symbol in the center of the body. Let's start from the left shoulder, draw a straight line coming in to right about here, and then we'll line that up on the right. Now from here, it's going to bend this around and then in. Let's close off the center with a curve going up and then down. We're going to add the eyes inside. So starting on left, we're going to angle this out and back in. Do the opposite on the right. Going back up to the top, we're just going to round this out and then pull that in towards the bottom line. Now let's go back to the outside of the arm and bend this up and then in. And draw a straight line coming in towards the side. Now from here, we're going to angle this down and out. Let's angle this down and then in. Let's add a point in the center, going up and then down. Trace the bottom. Now from the side, I'm just going to curl this around and then up. Let's add those two large spikes coming down. We're going to bend this down and then in. And then we're going to taper this back up towards the top. And then from here, draw a short angled line coming in. Let's add two shorter spikes in the center. So starting back on the left, bend this down and out. Come straight down and in. Now from here, we're going to bend this up and in towards the center. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Spider-Man 2099. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on Skool. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.